Hello students, myself Dr. Krishnendu Ghosh, ADHR Accounting and Finance School of Management, Bennett University. Finance is often called the backbone of the business because every strategic decisions, starting from expansion, investment, hiring or pricing, ultimately depends on financial implications. The course in a finance specialization is structured in a progressive manner, starting from the basics and gradually building towards advanced decision-making capabilities. Students begin with managerial accounting, where they learn the preparation of financial statements such as income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement, forming the foundation of financial understanding. This knowledge is extended through the subjects like corporate finance, which helps the student to analyze the financial statements to make informed investment and financing decisions. As they move ahead in this course, like investment analysis, financial markets, and derivatives like courses equip them with the skills to evaluate risk, return, and market behavior. Advanced subjects like financial modeling and financial econometrics further enhance their ability to interpret data, focused outcomes, and support strategic decisions using quantitative techniques. Overall, the curriculum ensures that the student evolve from simply preparing financial information to critically analyzing it and ultimately using it for effective managerial and financing decision in real-world scenarios. With a clear focus on industry alignment, the program integrates real-world exposure through case studies, live projects, and practical tools, preparing students to meet the dynamic demands of this financial sector effectively. The importance of MBA Finance specialization lies in how it transforms a general management degree into a powerful decision-making and value creation career path. With a finance specialization, you become eligible for the roles such as financial analyst, investment banker, credit analyst, portfolio manager, and risk consultant. These roles exist across industries like banking, consulting, corporate firms, fintech, and even startups, making finance one of the most versatile MBA specializations. Finance demands comfort with numbers, attention to detail, and strong analytical thinking. If someone dislikes quantitative work, this specialization can feel challenging rather than rewarding. Thank you. Wish you all the best.